driver's license, please.
Still live on Whitney Road?
No.
Where do you live now?
I just moved to Fair Street.
Okay, you realize what you did wrong back there?
No.
You didn't stop for the stop sign.
I stopped.
Okay, when was the last time you had a citation for anything?
About 4 years.
Okay. What I'm going to do is issue a citation for the stop sign, so you're going to have to sit tight for a couple minutes, all right? Trix, what is your present address?
Pardon me? You didn't think we gave pretty girls tickets? You're absolutely right. We don't. Sign here.
This is not an admission of guilt. This just simply confirms that you have received the citation. All right? You haven't had a violation since '90 for improper backing. So it's a waiverable citation if you want. If you want to appear in court, what I did was I set the court date 2 weeks from today, which is the 5th of May at 8:30 in the morning. If you want to waive the citation, what you need to do is call this number on the back right here that I've just circled. And they will give you the information. You can even send it in through the mail if you want.
Fine.
Be careful, please.